Once declared biologically dead, the River Thames now hosts sharks, seahorses, and seals. This incredible comeback story is London's wild miracle. Decades of dedicated cleanup efforts have brought vibrant life back to the city's waters, proving environmental recovery is truly possible. From industrial wasteland to thriving ecosystem, the Thames showcases nature's resilience. Yet, pollution and climate change still threaten this urban miracle. The sharks are a powerful living reminder that even the most damaged ecosystems can be reborn and flourish, but only with sustained care. This remarkable return highlights our collective power to heal our planet. What other environmental success stories inspire you? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more insights.